Welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Ask Permission on AppStore. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of Screen Time. Now head towards the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you have Enable for this option. Then hit towards the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Here, you're going to find the section of Required Password Taking for the option of Don't Require. Then head back to the main page of Settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone's passcode. Now here you're going to find the option of iTunes and App Store. Toggle off this option. Then head back. Go to the main page of Settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open that option. Click on the option of Media and Purchases. Click on the option of Password Settings. Now here you want to find this option of When purchasing, always require password, or require after 15 minutes, checking for the opt of. After 15 minutes, then toggle off for this option of Require Password. Now enter your Apple password over here, click on OK, and just for that you have Turn off A4 on App Store. Now whenever you try to download any of the app, you won't have to enjoy the password of your Apple ID. Well, that's it for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.